Hi, welcome. I'm an empath that talks to Source on my walks through nature. I got a message today that I absolutely have to share because it was groundbreaking for me about how manifestation works and why circumstances absolutely do not matter. Let's dive in. So I was talking to Source about why do circumstances exist? Why is it that when I'm trying to manifest something, the universe doesn't just grant it instantly as we're promised, but instead the energy kind of gets knotted and tangled before you see your manifestation? I wanted to understand it. People online say it just doesn't matter, don't pay attention, but I want to know why, and I bet you do too. What Source told me is circumstances do not matter because energy is always taking the path of least resistance, which means you have a blockage in your mind preventing this manifestation from happening. That blockage has to present itself as a circumstance. What you see releases. What you acknowledge goes. That's the rule. What you resist persists, and what you see flows. So they present the circumstance to you, and the moment you see it for what it is a circumstance. It's not real, it's the Maya, it's an illusion. Once you see it, it can flow, and it's no longer a blockade to energy getting the manifestation to you. Do you hear how profound that is? It is not a punishment that circumstance happens. Instead, it's a reflection of how tied into your consciousness Source is. It knows where your blockages are. And as long as you're willing to see them for what they are, heaven on earth is promised to you. I really hope this video is as profound for you as it was for me. I know it was short, but it was powerful. Happy manifesting, eternal thanks, eternal gratitude.